What's up guys, today I'll be doing a case build with a CIT 7 PC case. In this case you can fit the micro ATX and the mini ITX motherboards. On this chassis you can fit 2 SSDs and 2 HDDs. It has only 4 expansion slots, which means you can fit only one video card and one sound card or whatever other device you prefer. For air cooling you can mount 6 fans in total. 3 of them they will gonna be at the front of the chassis, 2 on the top and 1 at the back. The fan needs to be maximum of 120 millimeters. For liquid cooling you can go for all-in-one liquid cooler, which will be 120 mil or 240, which will be mounted at the top of the case. Because the PC case is not too big, you need a video card which will not exceed 330 millimeters long. Also, the height of the CPU cooler doesn't need to exceed 150 millimeters high. The case has a strong chassis and overall a good quality build. Comes also with a dust filter for the top of the case and also for the power supply. The only downside of this case is the acrylic panel on the side, which with time it will gather a lot of micro scratches.